In this demonstration you will learn how to adjust the size of the checkbox by modifying the control template. Let's switch to Visual Studio. On the left side you can see the running application and on the right side the styles SAML file. Here you have created this implicit style for the checkbox that sets the template property. In the control template there is a border element that defines this part of the checkbox that you want to make bigger. To make a single element bigger, you can use WPF's viewbox element. So let's put here this border element into a viewbox element. On the viewbox, I define a width of 20 pixels. And now I put the border into that viewbox. Now you can see the checkbox disappeared from the application. This is not because you did something wrong, it is because SAML Edit and Continue does not support this scenario. So I stopped debugging, and now let's go to the debug menu and let's start debugging again. Now let's select a customer in the application and you can see the checkbox is back. Let's move the application to the left side of my screen. Now on the view box you can change here the width property. Let's set it for example to 30, and now you see that the area of the checkbox with the border element is bigger. Let's also try what it looks like with 50, and yes, this is by far too big. Let's set it to a width of 20, and this looks actually pretty good. Now, in addition, I want to move the checkbox a bit down. So let's go to the Solution Explorer, and let's open here the Customers View SAML file that contains the checkbox. Let's scroll down in this file and here you can see the checkbox. It has a margin at the top of 10 pixels. Let's change this to 20 pixels and now the user interface looks good to me. Alright, now you adjusted the control template of the checkbox to make here this part a bit bigger. Now let's wrap up what you have learned in this module.